Yo, so how'd you come up with the name Vape God?
My son gave it to me.
You're tuned into the RedlineKrew401 YouTube channel.
What's going on, guys? It's another fucking day. But today I'm going to be weighing the LNF wheels and the Verstone wheels to see what the weight difference is. One of the wheels is already done. I mean, it's going to be in the other video. It's painted white. So I'm going to be going to the shop. I'm picking up D'Angelo's. I also need to put the low-rise trunk wing back on my buddy's supercharged Cobalt, and we'll check out the progress on his trunk with the high rise, which is going on his LNF turbo Cobalt. And there's my fucking dog, and that's that. So put the video back on when we drive in a little bit, talk a little more, you know what I mean, and we'll go from there. But another late day, you know what I'm saying? Another late day. If you have a girl that likes to keep her house clean, and she gets these fucking things that spray and fucking smell all the time, you know that you are not happy, because that shit be giving me headaches, and this motherfucker be spraying all the time. All the time. Me and her are always having battles, fucking turning it off, turning it on, turning it off, and this motherfucker right here is wicked happy, huh? He's happy. He's like, I don't care about the spray. I don't care about the spray. I'm happy, huh? I'm happy. We good. But bro, I don't like the spray. I don't like the spray. Just a little something that, you know what I mean, want to get off my chest. Trying to get a hold of this whole camera thing, you know what I mean? Just these other people got to be comfortable having a camera in their face. So, you know, something we got to work on. But we'll get to it. I think this week, too, I'm going to do a video of going to pick up a car that I'm possibly going to be using for Uber. And then, you know what I mean, do a couple videos of that shit about the Uber and stuff. See if you can actually make money on Uber, because I don't even know, so we'll see. I mean, I might do a couple videos of flipping cars and stuff too, so, you know, that'd be cool. Show you guys how to buy and sell cars, you know. We'll see what happens with this channel, you know what I mean? Who knows? Maybe it'll go nowhere, maybe it will, you know what I mean? But these people that are viewing this right now, this is the beginning. So, we'll go from here. What's good? In this fucking 4-cylinder Camry that we just put the radiator in and been driving around. This thing's fucking way better on gas than my V6 Camry. Gotta be getting me one of these. This thing only has 60,000 miles on it. It fucking looks like a piece because the hood's all fucked up and shit, but like 60,000 miles, this thing runs like a dream. Get a 1997 through 2001 Camry. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. As long as you don't have one that's all rusted to the ground. The fucking body will fall apart before the fucking motor and trans will, that's for sure. But yeah, we about to pull up right now, and I got some sandwiches. We're gonna see how that trunk's coming on, and about to get the whole undercarriage all fucking coated and everything, so we'll see how that goes too. All right, we here. Look at them fools over there. Woo. Things gonna look clean when it's done. I know you camera shy. Yeah. If you want to do that shit, you gotta not be camera shy.
This guy's not.
Yeah.
He's not camera shy. I'll get up in front of anybody. You don't care. What?
I mean, I'm not really comfortable with it either, but I'm just trying to be all right with it.
But I don't think I've had a picture taken of these since like 2000.
Well, you better get used to it, buddy. Your ass is gonna be.
That's what this motherfucker looks like right here.
Right. That's the brain behind the operations.
But yeah, what I wanted to do is I wanted to weigh the wheel and the rim and see what the difference in weight.
Not much.
But, I mean, then I would have to fucking weigh the tire first,
yeah.
and then the rim, and then do that one with the whole thing, just to see what the difference is.
Smaller rims but more tire.
I was thinking maybe you should have a speed shop with these wheels, these tires on. I don't feel comfortable with these Joe Snows.
Yeah, but they'll probably fucking charge a fucking arm and a leg just to put fucking the wheels on it.
Yeah, I know.
This trunk is really coming along nice though already. Much better than it looked.
Yeah, she's not yet.
And then you're gonna do the same thing with this, or you're just gonna repaint it and just leave it with the wing?
I don't know. That's another story for another day. down the street is rain, and usually cars without trunklets don't do well in the rain. So we're not exactly looking at anything other than time. Right now.
Diamond. What do you get?
Home Depot. For some reason.
What are you going to be selling it?
No, I've got to put this motor in his other truck. This just has bad news written all over it.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Whose truck is this? Oh, is that
Was
truck?
his.
Oh, you were the one that was driving it, and then it fucking.
Then I yanked it. What had? Oh yeah. So seeing as how it's the next day, why don't we talk about that? Since Al still didn't find out what happened. Let's just not talk about it. So Dave, why don't you take us from the top again? What had happened with this?
I'm sure you weren't too happy about that.
Let's just not talk about it.
Come on, Dave.
Was there a fight after that?
Oh, he's too busy picking up scattered tools.
Let's not talk about this.
The fuck?
You're just making this worse.
Look at the brand new sawzall and a couple of brand new tools I had to replace. All right.
Yeah.
Fucking ass.
All right. So they were driving by this here wall thing. I need. Ray said this truck will look pisser in that wall. And then 5 seconds later, this is where we're at. About 2 seconds later, that truck was pissing in the wall. It looked pisser in the wall.
Oh my god.
Historic cemetery.
That shit's bad, dude.
It needs a buff.
I'm surprised because you would think that like you would just go
See
against
that?
the wall
See
and then
that
like kind of
spider
bounce
web right
off.
there?
No,
That
they
was
hit
Ray's
a they
head.
hit a solid pillar, about fucking 4x4, dude. Cement pillar. It's a
We
cemetery
were saying the
wall.
same thing to you earlier.
Luckily he didn't go into the cemetery and hit some fucking tombstones.
Yo, the fans sometimes.
Does this truck have low miles or something? Like that turbo out right there.
Check out all that smut in there.
Yeah, I'll give you my turbo and throw that on my truck.
Need a spring? Anybody want OEM part? You got OEM parts for your bill.
Full coverage on this truck. Yeah,
I could have bought it back for the motor. Anyone need a mint crew cab body?
Huh? I would have got you 10 G's for this truck all day.
More than that.
All day.
Fucking utility body.
Full coverage.
So what did you learn,
Snag
Marshall?
that turbo, put it on my car.
Next time, Ray says
That transmission will
it's too
blow
deep,
with
it's
that
too
turbo on
deep.
there. Real quick.
Comes on Corollas.
Yeah, but how would it even get into fucking boost with fucking a turbo that big?
They did it.
Real simple. Rev the piss on it.
And then you can see the interiors out in the company.
He's gonna stick that shit right up your ass, bro. You gotta wait till he turns around, his face will be right in your ass.
Oh, dude, that's happened plenty of times before.
Alright, so what are we doing right here?
Nothing good, but we're gonna watch anyway.
Okay!
Oh, fuck, dude.
It's Ace Motors!
God damn it. God damn it. It's Ace Motors. Figures the cops show up right as fucking we're starting to do
out.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
You told me. Alright. No, you ain't going up there like that. You gotta put a jack stand on there. Well, let's see if I can get the bolt. Huh? Let's go out and see if I can get the bolt up.
Great, thanks for getting back to me.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. No, I was really hurt by that.
This shit's mad smart.
First. Oh, that tastes good, kid. The Vape God likes this.
How good does it taste?
Are you recording me?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Holy
We're doing a
shit.
podcast, bro.
I need
Are
to
you
get,
really?
I need to get a GoPro.
Hold on, let me get my makeup man. Nobody gets the Vape God without a makeup man. Hey, Ray! Ray, go get my bitches! Are you really recording this?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, this is the Vape God, aka Oki1 Shinobi. Absolutely.
Right?
In Korea.
Exactly.
Are you really doing a podcast?
Yeah, I'm gonna be
That's
getting a
nuts.
GoPro and I want to start doing it here.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna make us
You're gonna make,
millions.
Yeah.
we're gonna make you
You're
millions.
gonna make
Wait-
us
yeah,
millions
wait
coming
till-
in here.
Yeah, well, you know what I mean.
Wait till you do my
We'll split the
comedy
profit
show.
and then it'll trickle down.
Dude,
and
this
you
guy
get,
will give you
some
3
pennies.
hours just in a
Don't
life
forget,
story
my new name is
documentary.
Vape God. VAPGOD.
That's gonna be the name. That's gonna be the name of the post. Vape
Yeah, I
God.
like that. Vape God, yeah.
But yo, what about this SAAB right here, bro? What is going on with this thing?
It's not bad. It does the job. Gets you from point A to point B.
So Ray, what if I was like straight up trade my car for yours? You wouldn't do that?
Nah, I wouldn't do it.
I wouldn't do it either. But
I
I
wouldn't
mean,
do it.
And I wouldn't do it
I
either.
got
But I
to do-
mean, like
you know
that's
what it
definitely
is,
a good
bro?
trade.
Yo, no bullshit,
Is this
man.
unlocked?
No, I'll get to the keys.
I just wanted to see the interior.
The cars are like girls. They treat me right, I keep them around.
Shit's getting real over here, but this is what happens on a fucking daily basis over here. I couldn't really weigh the wheels and tires because the L&F wheels have the tire already on it, and the other ones are getting powder coated, so I gotta wait for the tire to be on there. But we'll do that on another day. But this is what goes on here.
The aux beam LEDs, just like
Yeah,
you
these.
did.
Yeah, I was gonna say these aux beams. That's what I got in mine. These things are not clean.
But yeah, we're out here.
This is an 0893. Got a little bit of shit done to it, but basically makes like 210, something like that. Nothing crazy. Definitely gonna have a review coming soon for this car. Who knows? Maybe we'll run it against the Cobalt just to see for shits and giggles. But oh! I had him on the pull. I had him. Yo, that's actually a pretty good race.
Redline that shit.
Dude, this thing's pretty quick, bro. Bro, what just happened right there? Dude, how did a Camry fucking get the initial pull on you? You started pulling towards the top end, but
six cylinder.
oh
Six cylinder.
my god, bro.
Was forgot the downshift. Still my first day driving standard. Fucking.
Oh my god, dude. That wasn't bad, bro.
What's
I'm
this thing got,
surprised.
like 260?
No, it's got like it's got 205, dude.
Oh my god.
Well, how much does your weigh?
Like 42.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, yeah. This weighs like I think 32 or
Got
something.
all the widgets in it, dude.
Definitely gonna be running it against the Trans Am, which is right here. That shit right here is fucking mad clean. Shit's got it's a Firehawk package, basically stock LS1, but who knows, maybe we'll see what happens with that, and then maybe with this Cobalt right here. This one made 301, so it'll be much closer than with mine with 400. This black one's actually my old one. I'll put a picture in there with mine and that one. I ended up selling it to Matt, who's the one that's actually getting the trunk put on this one right here. Yo, so how'd you come up with the name Vape God?
My son gave it to me.
Really?
Yeah,
How old's
fooling
your
around.
son?
13.
13?
Yeah, I was fucking around with the vape. He's always seen me vape.
and we go to the games and stuff. He's like, I'm gonna call you Vape God. I'm vaping before the game. So I go, you know how LeBron goes in with the dust?
Yeah.
I go, Vape God, and I go play ball.
You're like your son's superhero?
Yeah.
That's cool though.
But I'm funny, man. I change my nicknames all the time. You gotta have all these aliases if you want to be cool like me.
Yeah.
I was kidding.
Yeah, I was telling them, man. I was like, dude, you get like the way this shop is set up, dude. And you see like all these YouTube channels, dude. Like this is exactly what they got, dude. And
Most of them?
Oh, dude, all of them. Like, dude, like building Civics and stuff, doing like bodywork shit, and they have like fucking $400,000 or $500,000. They're making like 30 grand a month, dude.
These guys can do anything they want if they just put their mind.
That's what I'm saying, dude. And I sold him the black one, so that's how I met him. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, you got issues with your car?
How I met this
Nah,
retard?
just a voltage.
How I met this retard?
Who, him?
Yeah.
Well, you guys met at a vaping convention?
Oh, I met him right in the street right there, actually.
Where?
Yeah.
He looks like a straight edge. Just a little vaping here and there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's smoked.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
What size is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, because it shouldn't be a number 5. It's supposed to be a number.
The Vape God.
Oh, wait a minute. This isn't it. This isn't smoke.
Dude, you got them black guy hands, man. You need to put some cocoa butter on that.
It's Vape God.
This is not wrong.
You want to see Mac McClung? This guy asked me how I got my nickname, Vape God. I said before I play, I blow the smoke like LeBron James.
You gotta do it.
Then I just
blow the smoke and do it.
This guy's got his son. I'm being recorded by a citizen. Should I talk to him or let him know?
Citizen's arrest.
Yo,
There's no 20, period.
you want to go see Mac McClung tonight or what?
There's literally not 120, man.
7:30. I gotta get the tickets. Cheap. They're cheap.
Got these two beta Camrys over here. Woo. It's the one that had the radiator done. Shit's all fucking trashed. Looks much better than it did though. I can post a picture of what it did look like. This is my baby. This thing's V6, 120,000 miles. I did everything on it. If you want to get a reliable daily, this is what you got to do right here. Got to get something like that, you know what I mean? And then have your race car. That's what you got to do. But we ain't never seen under the hood of this thing yet, so let's check this out.
So you drove would you drive down to Maryland or?
Yeah, drove all the way to Maryland. He originally wanted like 12 grand for it, and then he hit a deer, and then I talked him down to 6. So I paid 6 grand for this thing with 12,000 miles on it. My girl put a nice little. She bought that for me. She put, you see that? She put her little touch on it. Put a little heart right there.
Wow. Nice. So who's the guy selling this? Private owner?
No, I own it. I'm a private owner. I ain't selling it.
No, back down in
Oh yeah, it was a private owner. Yeah.
Which will typically be listed in the index. Look up the component and its corollary
Fuck this
section. In this example, we are looking for the fuse for the interior light, which is a blue.
Oh, now she goes to sleep.